from Chandigarh. There is a Save Rock Garden protest that's on in the scenic city of Chandigarh. It's an iconic park where the residents have united to protest against partial demolition of this 6-decade-old iconic garden. The park was built using upcycled items, and the residents are objecting to demolition right now, and they're saying that Chandigarh's heritage is under threat if the rock garden is demolished. Those are the pictures on your screen of a citizens' protest that is going on in Chandigarh. Gurpreet, do tell us, why is rock garden being demolished, and you know, this everyone goes to Chandigarh and pretty much pays a visit to rock garden. What was the need of demolishing this place?
Well, we will show all the visuals from ground. This is not rock garden they are going to demolish. This is the wall which are going to be demolished, and there is a bone of contention behind demolishing of this wall. We have seen city residents, they are holding protest. One, they had held a symbolic protest, and the online protest is already underway. So this is the wall which we are showing at this point of time from the rock garden. I'll request my visual to show. This is the parking area for High Court. One side, the people of the city, they are saying that this is the iconic, and this is the basically symbol of Chandigarh, and it should not be demolished. This wall should not be demolished, and it should be preserved because it relates to heritage of Chandigarh. But this is the parking area of High Court which was showing at this point of time. This is the bone of contention. One side, they wanted to expand the parking, and that is one of the reasons why they are demolishing this wall. One side, we have seen the UT administration has also made it very clear. They are saying this is not part of this wall is not a part of heritage of this rock garden, and that is one of the reasons why it is being demolished, because they wanted to expand this parking of High Court, and that was one of the reasons which is being given by the UT administration why they are demolishing it. But what was the reason why the city residents, they are holding protest? They wanted to convey their voices to the UT administration, because some of the city residents, they are saying this is not only Nekchand's rock garden, but nearby area, as per the master plan, that should be preserved as a heritage symbol, and that is one of the core reasons why these people have been protesting. So let's see whether UT administration is going to take a call on this protest which is being held by Chandigarh residents. But as of now, we have seen, I'll request my Vijay to show all these pictures from the ground. The work is already under progress, and this wall is being demolished, and that part of rock garden is not being touched by the Chandigarh administration. But still, the people of Chandigarh, they want that it should be preserved, and there should not be any wall or any part should be demolished which will hurt the sentiments of the Chandigarh people. So we have to wait and watch whether the UT administration is going to take a call on this, or they are going to understand the sentiments of Chandigarh residents or not. Back to studio.